souls, Kim Crystal here, and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to have you here. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this fireplace. There's quite a few different ways you can do this. You don't have to do it with wood, you can do it with cardboard. So if you have big sheets of cardboard, you can do this project as well. If you don't have an LED fireplace, you can use an old small TV with a DVD drive and just copy like a YouTube video of fire, and then you can put a TV behind this mantle as well. So this is a really fun project, and it's a lot cheaper than having a fireplace installed, especially if you are renting at the moment. But there's so many different things you can do. You can also put tiles onto this. If you guys are new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a whole bunch of DIY videos and a whole bunch of new awesome DIY videos coming out as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's jump right into it. So this is just an old desk I'm using. I've just drawn a line along here because I would like it to be narrower, and this is going to be the front of the mantelpiece. So I'm just going to cut this to a smaller size. So now the last step is just making a stand for this fireplace so it rises up. So that's the stand over there. So this is how it looks so far. I'm just going to put white pebbles down the bottom there. So I'm going to quickly do that. So now that I have the mantle set out like this, I am going to begin by sticking vinyl on the top and the sides. I haven't decided what I'm doing here yet, but I will think about that while we are doing vinyl. So I have this vinyl adhesive. It's just from Kmart. It is $3, so it is super affordable. Let's do that. When you stick it on, all you're going to need is scissors. I'm going to use this roller cutter just so I can cut it along the edges. You can also just use like a Stanley knife, whatever you, just scissors will do. And yeah, so I'm going to do that, and yeah, I'll be back. Thank you beautiful souls for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, and check out my other videos and my new videos coming up. Love you guys heaps. See you next time. Bye!